Building a brand on Amazon is dead, at least for all of you new sellers. I'm gonna talk about a mistake in this video that has cost so many new sellers thousands of dollars in failed product launches because they were just so worried about building a brand. I hear it all the time. Students call me up, Adam, I'm thinking about launching this awesome premium handbag brand. I've got it all planned out. Here's my awesome name, my incredible looking logo. Some of them already have trademarks put into place, and I've got a super sick website set up I'm gonna start selling from too. So once they do that, I'm awesome, John. I'm like, John, you wanna launch a premium handbag brand? Dude, that's awesome. I'm super excited for your excitement. But here is a couple questions I wanna ask you, and with these couple questions, I almost always destroy their ideas and at the same time save them thousands of dollars in failed product launches. I'll tell them, John, dude, this is awesome. Can you tell me a couple of things about the handbag niche on Amazon? Who are the top sellers currently for handbags? How many reviews do they have? How long have they been selling? What prices are they selling for? What materials are they using? Have you purchased any of them to feel what your competitors' handbags feel like? And most importantly, last but not least, John, I want to know, when you launch this brand and you've got premium whatever it is, you've got the best Italian leather ever, my question is, when people see your brand, they see your logo, why is any of them gonna care? Because the reality is, when you launch a brand new brand, nobody cares about your brand except you, your mother, and your best friend. So they'll put together this awesome brand with this awesome brand name, awesome logo, awesome packaging, and they expect that is what's going to get them sales. They expect that this is going to somehow make people want to buy their product. And the reality is that is not enough any way, shape, or form. They've never done, the problem with these people is that they have never done the product research. They don't know what the niche looks like. They don't understand what the competition looks like. And so they launch a product and it's always in a niche that has so much competition. It has so many people already selling it with oftentimes thousands of reviews. So why would anybody buy his handbags that are brand new when there are so many already established brands that have thousands of reviews already? People have been buying these brands for years. People have been loving these brands for years. And then he's got this sad little brand over here that's brand new. Nobody's gonna buy his product. So they launch these products, they fail miserably, and it's because their product is decisively worse than the competition. That's the way it is. They just don't have a product they didn't pick the right product. So what I want you guys to do is not worry at all about building a brand for your first product. I want you to get 2, 3 products up there, try out some different niches, see what works, and once you get to that point, you are going to find a niche that you think is going to have incredible opportunity for build a brand. For me, I got lucky. It's my first product. I can see a couple different items that I can sell very related to the first one and make good money on each of them. But at some point, I can see how that is going to dry out. There's only so many products I can think of to launch, and then I'm gonna have to start with a new brand. I'm already working on new products in different niches. So what I want you to learn from this video is do not worry about starting some crazy grand brand. Do not neglect product research. Base your decisions to buy a product 0% on your idea to build a brand and 100% on finding a product that has potential. And once you have a couple of those products that have potential, they're doing well, then pick one of those products, build a brand out of it, and build 20, 30 items in that niche. And then pick another product, build a brand around that one, and then another one and build a brand around that one. That is gonna save you so much heartache and so many students who have lost thousands of dollars because they're only worried about building a brand instead of launching the right product that actually has potential. With that, really enjoy you guys being here on the video. Hit that subscribe button, smash it with your mouse, and I'll see you guys later.